How are you everyone there? You are welcome to the study of Microsoft Office, and particularly we are looking at module 1, and this is Microsoft Office Word. Before we go into before we look at what Microsoft Office Word is and how to use it, Microsoft Office Word is one of the units in Microsoft Office package, and the Microsoft Office package is an application software that is used to perform office work. And the Microsoft Office package was developed by Microsoft Office companies, and this is owned by Mr. Bill Gates, as we all know. Okay, Microsoft Office has undergone several changes. In fact, I will start with the one which was made in 2000. That was version 2000, Microsoft Office version 2000. Then Microsoft Office 2003. Another version was released in 2007 and is called Microsoft Office 2007. Another version was released in 2010 and is called Microsoft Office 2010. Another version was released in 2013 and is called Microsoft Office 2013. Another version was released in 2016 and it is called Microsoft Office 2016. So versions have always been brought forward. The software has always been improved. It has always been made easier for the users to use, and also more functionalities have been added in these versions. So someone might say, oh, do I have to study all these versions? Absolutely no. You only have to study one version and then you'll be able to use the others. And the newer the version, the easier it is to use. So the version we are using is called Microsoft Office 2010. And the Microsoft Office 2010, we are going to look at specifically in this module, Microsoft Office Word, and this is our module 1. So Microsoft Office Word, by definition, is we shall start with the word processing. So this is the process of creating a Word document, and it involves typing, editing, and formatting, printing of text document using a word processor. So what is a word processor? So word processor is a tool or a program that can be used to create, edit, format, store, and print a document that contains text and graphics. And the examples of word processor, we have Microsoft Office Word, we have Corel Word Perfect, we have Lotus Word Pro, we had Apple Pages, OpenOffice.org, Writer, and so many others. So here we are looking at the main words, so keywords as far as Microsoft Office Word is concerned, and we are looking at types of word processors. Here we have two. We have manual and we have electronic. Manual example is a typewriter. Electronic, the example is this very module we are looking at, Microsoft Office Word. We see the purpose of Microsoft Word or word processor. We see they are used to write letters. If you study Microsoft Office Word, then you will get skills and knowledge of writing letters, reports, projects, books, essays, memos, and resumes electronically, not using a piece of paper and a pen, but using electronic gadgets. And here are the basic terminologies like the the typeface, the line spacing, and many more other many more other keywords, as you have seen here. So these are keywords we'll read through and understand. Also look at advantages and the disadvantages. Okay, how do you access Microsoft Office Word if you are to use the software? If you are to use, as I was introducing, I said that Microsoft Office Word is a unit of Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Office is a application software. So we shall look for Microsoft Word in application software, whereby we click the start button here. Then from the layout here, we scroll down, because here are the software. So we are looking at for Microsoft Office. Here we are. This is Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office we need Microsoft Office Word. Yes, we are looking down for Microsoft Office Word. Here we are, Microsoft Office Word 2010. Click it and then it opens up. This is our text area of Microsoft Office, and this first, let us look at an overview of Microsoft Office. The first space here where you're seeing document 1 Microsoft Office is called this is where the name of your document is always indicated when you open up a document. This is where the name of the document or the file you've opened is, and it is called the title bar. And these words you're seeing: home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, and view. These are called tabs. They are called tabs. And let me these ones are called tabs. They are called the tabs. Okay, and yes, these are called the tabs. These ones are called the tabs. And inside each tab there is what? Inside each tab there are commands, and these commands are in a space called a ribbon. Let us look at it. When you click home page, there are commands under or inside the home page, and all these pages, the display you're seeing here, which is under home tab, the whole of this is called the ribbon. The same applies to insert. What you're seeing under insert is also called the ribbon. Even page layout, this one here is called the ribbon. But inside each ribbon there are subdivisions. For example, under home we have the clipboard, and it has commands under the clipboard section, like cutting, copying, then pasting, then format paint. Then we have a section also of font. This is these ones are for changing the look or appearance of a letter or group of letters. Then paragraph styles. So briefly, this is what we call the ribbon, and this area here where you're seeing where my cursor is, this area from here up to here is called the quick tool access bar. And then this, what you're seeing me moving up and down at the right hand side, is called the vertical scroll bar. And where this cursor is, where I'm typing, this stuff blinking as you're seeing here is called the cursor. And where I am typing, this is called the text area. And below here where you're seeing page 1 of 1, this is called the status bar. So briefly, this is it about Microsoft Office Word. It is an overview. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video.